Greetings to all. We are the students of Om Shanti Shiksha Sadan School. Today we are here to present our project idea, which is Green School, a step towards sustainable living, which is an integrating eco-friendly practice in school life. So our project theme is Green School under Samriddh Bharat, and our objective is to have a renewable and sustainable school with organic farming and many more. And this project is very self-reliant and self-conscious. And our problems are rising energy, water cost, dependence on learning, sustainability through textbooks, and many more. So we have experienced many more things in our schools, such as water shortage, electricity bills, and dependence on other for meal. So we have a great idea of having a green school which can have many more included, such as canteen which have organic farming, a school which have a great way of learning, a herbal plant and other medicines. So we are going to introduce our idea briefly.
Introduction to green schools. Green schools are institutions that promote sustainability through education and practical learning. They mainly focus on reducing pollution from our environment and developing eco-conscious habits in students and staff. Next is importance of green school. They are very important for us as they develop environmental awareness from a young age and develops future generation for coming climate changes and challenges. Smart classrooms. These are technology integrated areas that enhance student engagement in many things. Key features of smart classrooms. They are interactive whiteboard and projectors, real-time assessment, real-time digital feedback, and energy efficient LED and ventilation. The benefits of smart classrooms are personalized learning experience, reduced paper usage, and etc. Smart library. It is a digital and eco-friendly space to enhance learning and research. Key features of a smart library are digital catalog and e-book access, self-checkout kiosks, solar power lighting, and personal space for every student. Benefits of smart library: encourage self-learning, save energy and physical space, reduce paper and printing needs.
Now I will be explaining the solar panels installed on the rooftop of our schools. I will tell how it works. First of all, it is planted on the rooftop of our school. It saves energy and uses it to power classrooms, labs, and others. The excessive energy are stored and can be sold. The benefits of using solar panels are: it helps in cost cutting, it teaches students about renewable energy. Next is rainwater harvesting. The system highlights of rainwater harvesting is the water, when it rains, the water is collected through a pipe into a tank, and the water is used for many different things. It is filtered and then using in cleaning using water in organic farming. The benefits of using rainwater harvesting is: it reduces dependence on municipal corporation. It teaches students about using water and teaches the students about the conservation of water. The next part is manuring and composting. Green School teaches the manuring and composting to every individual. Composting helps in creating manure that will be used in organic farming. This helps in making natural pesticides, natural fertilization, and which helps in growing better food than when compared to artificial fertilizers. The next is teaching organic farming. At a school, students are taught about organic farming. They are told about the natural pest control. The new crop rotation and other practices are introduced to them. Next.
So the next part of this idea is healthy meal canteen. We will serve like a fresh meal prepared using from organic farm, and which is include whole vegetables, whole grains, and no processed or junk food. The key initiatives are the school garden to grow herbs and vegetables, for composting food waste for fertilizer and nutrition, and benefits are school promote healthy eating habits, support local farming and local farmers, and reduce carbon footprint from food transportation. And the next slide. And budget. The components are include smart class, smart library, projector, and composting system, and organic farming. The expectation annual surplus is 45 to 44 lakh in 1 year. First, annual operation cost, renewable streams, tuition fees, etc. So now implementation time has a four phase: planning, design, construction and setup, integration and testing, and launch and operation.
Every project faces some problems, but we have some ways to overcome them. First, if there is low student enrollment, we will plan to increase community outreach and offer scholarships. Second, to prevent tech failures, we will ensure regular maintenance and proper backups. Third, to prevent crop failures, we will use crop rotation and take expert advice. Fourth and last, to handle any funding gap, we will seek CSR partnerships and phased implementations. Now let's see the positive impact of our Green School project. Environmental, lower carbon and water footprints. Educational, experimental green learning. Economic cost savings plus income generating. Health, organic food for children. Social, model for future school across India. Scaling and replication. Replicable model for rural and semi-urban areas. Training other schools under Swadeshi Bharat mission. Long-term vision, create a national network for the Green School. Now I will conclude our project with some words. Green School promote eco-friendly and sustainable living. Manuring, composting and organic farming teach care for the earth. Smart classroom and libraries reduce paper use through digital learning. These efforts build a smart and environmentally responsible generation. Thank you and have a nice day.